Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video I'm going to show you 10 tweaks that I use regularly whenever I jailbreak. 10 essential tweaks from me. Alright, so first we have CellDia. Alright, so what CellDia essentially does is just make your changes tab in Cydia looks more sleek, what's the word I'm looking for? More organized. And it's pretty well, I would say it's more easier just to install tweaks, and it just makes it looks more better to me. That's what I would say. And next we have Lotus. So what Lotus is just a theme, and it's a pretty good looking theme. This is the theme that I always use. I like it. I always use it whenever I'm jailbreaking, and it's just a pretty cool theme. And next we have I don't really know how to pronounce this. It's Watusi or something like that. Alright, so what this tweak is. Alright, so for whoever uses WhatsApp, it gives you a lot of customization for WhatsApp. You just go to preferences and then you can see everything that you can do with it. Like Android, if you know Android and used to have the GB WhatsApp on Android, the modded version of WhatsApp for Android, well, that is this, but on iPhone. So it gives you a lot of different customizations that you can do. You can freeze your last scene, disable read recipient, and disable delivery receipt. So yeah, you can just do a lot of things. And I have some custom settings that I have on that I always use. Yeah, and for the best thing about this tweak is that, like when someone uploads a status and then they delete it, yeah, if they delete it and you have this option on, you can still see it. And for everyone that loves to send text message and then delete it afterwards, I hate it. So if someone sends you a text message and you have these two options on, they can no longer delete a message that they sent to you. You'll always be able to see it, and I think that's pretty awesome. I just love it. And next we have color badges. So what color badges is, you see the numbers above the icons. You notice that they're in the color that the app that the app has. Yeah, so that's what it does. Any color that the app is in, it takes that color, and it just looks awesome. Then we have local IAP store. I always use this tweak for a lot of, well, I would say I use it for a lot of games. So what it tweak actually does is, whenever you're playing a game, it doesn't work for all games. It only works for a certain set of games. I don't know every game that it works for. I only use it for like a few of them, but I do use it on Plants vs Zombies. I just love this game. I always play it. So if you're like me and you wanna like get through the game on like the easier side of things, I would just go ahead, purchase something, and then you're gonna go ahead and cancel, and then you're gonna see that the purchase went through. Purchase successful. So that's what that tweak does, and that's local IAP store. And I will put the sources in the description where you can get all these tweaks from. And then we have shuffle. Alright, so what shuffle is, guys, shuffle is a tweak that customizes all your tweaks when you install them from Cydia, so you no longer have to go way down the bottom here to see all your tweaks. You can, it's gonna be right here at the top, at the top in settings. You're gonna see tweaks, and you have all your tweaks, your tweak settings here. And then next we have notify Wi-Fi X. Alright, and what that tweak is, guys, notify Wi-Fi X is this tweak. It shows you whenever you're connected to a Wi-Fi, it shows you, it comes as a notification. And there's also something else great about this tweak. Any Wi-Fi that you're connected to, it shows you the password. Hold on, let's see if I, so you would just go to Wi-Fi and then hit the I right there, and then where is it, oh yeah, you go down here and go to known networks, and then every Wi-Fi that you ever connected to, it's stored right here, and you can see all the passwords. So in this case, this Wi-Fi was open, so in this case this Wi-Fi password would be right here. Yeah, so that's another great tweak that I love. And last we have TransparentDock. So TransparentDock is a pretty simple tweak. What it does is just make your dock transparent, so it blends in with everything else. It's pretty nice. I like it. Yeah. And oh yeah, the last tweak we have, guys, is swipe selection. And what swipe selection is, guys, is basically just this. Say you're typing something and you made a mistake, you no longer have to go here. It's kind of tedious to do this all the time. If you're typing something and you make a mistake, you can just go this, just do like this, just swipe across the keyboard, delete the mistake that you made and go back, you know, correct it, and it's awesome. So guys, I hope you like this video, guys, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, and hit the post notification bell so you can see whenever I upload a video.